Hello kids, let's learn alphabet letters A to M.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb.
Let's learn colors name.
Mary had a
Red
little
color,
lamb, its fleece was white
orange
as
color,
snow. And everywhere
yellow
that
color,
Mary went, Mary went, Mary
blue
went.
color,
Everywhere that Mary went,
green
the
color,
lamb was sure to go.
pink color.
It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was
Kids,
against the rules. It made the children laugh and play,
phrase letter
laugh and play,
small
laugh
a.
and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
E.
And so the teacher turned it out,
Small
turned
v.
it out, and so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited
Small
patiently
c.
about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
D.
Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know.
Small letter
Lamb, you know.
S.
Lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
G.
Mary had
Small
a
letter
little lamb,
H.
little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its
I.
fleece was white as snow.
Small letter of J. K.
London Bridge is falling down,
L.
falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady.
Let's color.
Sticks and stones will all fall down, all fall down, all fall down.
E.
Sticks and stones will all fall down.
Is
my fair
apple.
lady. Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it
B.
up with wood and clay, my fair
B for
lady.
butterfly. C. C for cat.
Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away.
D.
Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady.
E for
Build it up
dog.
with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with iron
E.
and steel, my fair lady.
E for elephant. S. S for
Iron
fish.
and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and bow. Iron and steel will bend and bow, my
G.
fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling
G
down,
for
falling down.
grapes.
London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
H. H for hand. I.
Had a little
I for
little lamb,
iron.
little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was
G.
white as snow.
J for
Everywhere that
jelly.
Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb
K.
was sure to go.
K for kite. L.
It
L for lamp.
School one day, school one day, it followed her to school one
M.
day, which was against the rules.
M for
It
monkey.
made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J,
So
K,
the teacher
L,
turned
M.
it